Welcome to Self-Healing Networks with Ansible and F5 and our fourth use case demo. Here we're going to focus on web app integrity enforcement, ensuring self-healing automation and event-driven tasks ensure the website maintains integrity. Here we're going to look at the DevOps dashboard for Dash AI and the current status of the F5 virtual IP. Just like the fail network scenario, we're going to use an I quit keyword here to trigger StackStorm to send an API call to Ansible Tower and kick off a job. This job, like the previous example, is a simulation to change the integrity of the website. In this case, it is being defaced by a disgruntled employee. As you can see, this is the production website, and this is what other users would see. We want to ensure the shortest period of time possible to return that to the working configuration and remove any of that malicious code or any of these non-intended changes that were pushed. So we can see in the chat ops piece here in Slack that StackStorm has kicked that off. It has broken the website, simulating a user or a disgruntled employee. And here we're going to have a look and watch the StackStorm kick off the self-healing or event-driven automation job to put the website configuration back. So here we can see the trigger, and now we're going to see in Ansible Tower here the job being kicked off to reconfigure the entire lab. We are reconfiguring the entire lab here because we know that is the known working state. We could do a little bit more triaging or write other routines to just heal the application or just heal the network, but essentially this is an overall example. As we don't know what the underlying issue is, we just want to make sure we're going to reconfigure it to the working state. So here we've kicked off the workflow job in Tower. The first thing that's going to happen is the network stand up. So we're going to ensure the network is configured to the blueprint that we've set in the Git repository. And that's the first part of the workflow job. We'll have a look here, and we're able to see that now the network piece is finished, the application playbook is kicked off, and we're going to repave the web app. Right, so we can see in the Slack here, the StackStorm has kicked that off. It's notifying the users. And we're redeploying the website files. You can see the change there in the Ansible tasks. And as this workflow job finishes up, we'll see it's now complete, and then lab has been reconfigured. Our website is back to what we would like it to see. We minimize the downtime or minimize what was actually being displayed there in an event-driven fashion.